The leading cause of death in the United States is medical intervention. Medical intervention kills about 1 million people a year. Doctors kill over 1 million people a year, and people go to their doctor and think nothing of it. The problem with our medical doctors is that these very good people make the biggest mistake of their life, and they go to medical school. 85% of what they're taught is unscientific nonsense. And then they're cut loose on the general population to practice unscientific nonsense. The medicine we have is now so far behind the science that it is impossible to bring it up to date. We have to take the medicine we have and discard it and start over. Where did we ever get the idea that we can help a sick person if we give them poison? It's a pretty stupid system, but it makes enormous amounts of money, and the drug companies have enormous power. Ayurvedic medicine's about 6,000 years old, Chinese medicine's about 5,000 years old, allopathic medicine's 100 years old. It's already on the way out because it's basically stupid, and it doesn't work, and it's very dangerous. Trauma care and crisis intervention, we're at about 15% of medicine. The other 85% of medicine is basically nonsense.